Hi, Professor. Good afternoon. My name is Madeline, and today I'll be sharing my personal reflection on HRM 822 and UV, Human Resources Planning and Development, taught by none other than you, or Professor Monica. This course has truly changed how I understand and view the role of HR professionals, not just as HR or administrative contributors, but as strategic partners in business success. I would also like to take a moment to sincerely thank you, Professor, for the engaging and intelligent teaching style, your ability to explain complex topics using real world examples, and class discussions made each session meaningful and relatable. So, in this reflection, I'll highlight three major themes that significantly impacted my learning. One is aligning with HR strategy, change management, and succession management. The first theme that really shaped my study was aligning HR with organizational strategy, as discussed in Chapter 2. I've learned that HR should be integrated with business goals, not treated as a separate support function. The resource-based view helped me understand that employees aren't just operational resources, they're a long-term source of competitive advantage. Aligning HR practices with corporate and business strategies ensures that organizations remain competitive and future ready. It changed my perspective because I used to think that HR only supports operations, but now I understand HR's role in shaping and influencing the strategy itself. As a future HR professional, I plan to bring a strategic mindset to every decision from workforce planning to policy development. The second theme is change management from Chapter 9, one of the most useful models in Levin's three-step model: unfreeze, change, and refreeze. It gave me clear structure for understanding how employees transition during a period of change and how can HR support them. I have found that HR professionals play an important role in managing organizational change by interacting, supporting, and training employees through transitions. I also appreciate the difference between planned change and emergent change, which reflect how companies often have to respond quickly to external forces such as technology or economic changes. The last topic is succession management, which is discussed in Chapter 7. Prior to this course, I thought succession planning was just preparing backups for leadership roles, but now I see it as a long-term, proactive development process that supports both employees and business continuity. What really stood out to me was the competency-based approach, which focused on identifying and growing talent based on future skills needs aligned with the organization's goals. Succession planning isn't just about filling positions, it's about investing in people and building a leadership pipeline. It helped me understand the strategic value of career development and talent management. It also encouraged me to think about how I could support succession efforts through training, mentorship, and workforce planning initiative. In conclusion, HRM 822 under the guidance of you, Professor, has been an eye-opening and empowering experience. The teaching approach is clear, practical, and student-centered, making even complex topics easier to understand and apply. Through this topic, I gained not only knowledge but also confidence, especially in led discussions where I had the opportunity to engage and express my ideas. The video and written assignments challenged my creativity and deepened my learnings. Discussion boards also create a space where we can connect with fellow students and share different perspectives. This course has more than just a classroom discussion. It's platform for continuous learning, self-growth, and expanding my understanding of the HR profession. You've taught us so much, and I'm so grateful to have been one of your students. Thank you for helping us for being part of my academic journey. I hope you continue to inspire and guide many more students in the future, just as you did for us. Thank you.